Hello and welcome to The Answered Patient. I'm Jane Hansen. Obesity is a condition of severe excess body fat that puts your health in danger.
If you wait for the symptoms, you've waited much too long.
The salt in our food in America is everywhere.
Here's something you need to know.
This present generation of children will be the first generation in American history to not live as long as their parents.
So we're going to talk about your diabetes a little bit, huh?
Michael presented with classic symptoms of diabetes.
Well, I didn't really feel the symptoms.
Insulin enters the bloodstream, rising to peak levels within 10 minutes of eating. Its task is to facilitate the entry of glucose into the body's cells.
Now, would you feel comfortable doing the same thing yourself?
Not really.
Obsessions are intrusive, unwanted, repetitive.
I really cannot function.
To just say, I'll take it, I'm gonna suffer in silence, is not right.
Experts agree that our modern culture has fueled the obesity epidemic.
A poor diet that leads to excess body fat also promotes higher levels of LDL cholesterol.
How are you with eating salt?
I'm not very good.
Also, make sure to ask your doctor why a particular drug has been selected for you.
I'm somebody who developed OCD actually rather severely.
If you take another reading of 3 minutes, 4 minutes later, it's going to be different.
It acts as a vasoconstrictor, meaning it causes blood vessels to become narrower. An electrical impulse moves down the axon, a long, slender tube that functions like an antenna.
And what's surprising is that migraineurs, only 44% of them are actually being diagnosed.
If I could take the migraine on myself, I would do it.
I'm sure you wouldn't know if you stepped on a tap.
We went shopping one day and I looked down and I said, it's bleeding, my toe is bleeding.
We can blow gas into the abdominal cavity to lift the abdominal wall off the organs, and through those tubes we can put video cameras in.
It was the holy grail. I mean, I'd finally gotten something where it was working, where my weight was coming off.
However, if you are considering using any alternative therapies, it's important to discuss them with your doctor first.
The most important thing to know is that you're not alone and that help is available.